Adding word-by-word captions on Capcut PC is a straightforward process. Follow these steps carefully to ensure you don't miss any key details. Firstly, export your media from Capcut. Once your media is exported, click on the text icon within the Capcut interface. Select the Auto Captions option. Choose the Create option to generate automatic captions. Wait for a few seconds or minutes for the caption generation process to complete. Once the process is finished, you can customize the style of your text, including font size, text color, and other basic settings. After applying all the desired settings, play the video to view the word-by-word captions. You can further adjust the text if needed. This tutorial provides a basic overview of adding text to your video. That's it. By following these steps, you can easily add word-by-word captions on Capcut PC.